In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct GA4 property for the website you're working on. If you manage multiple sites or apps, double-check the property name at the top of the interface before moving forward, so the code you copy matches the right site. At the top of the screen, use the search bar and type admin. From the results, select Admin Settings. This takes you into the area where your property and data settings are managed. We're heading here because your GA4 tracking code lives inside your data stream settings, and the admin area is the quickest path to it. Inside Admin, look for the section labeled Data Collection. Under that, click Data Streams. Data streams are the connections between GA4 and your platforms, such as your website or mobile apps. To find the website tracking code, we'll use the web data stream. You should now see a list of available streams. Locate your web stream, the one associated with your website's domain, and select it. If you see more than one, choose the stream that matches the exact site you want to measure. The naming often includes your domain or a descriptive label, so take a moment to confirm you have the right one. After you click your web stream, you'll land on the Stream Details page. This is where your GA4 tracking code is displayed. In GA4, that code is called the measurement ID, and it typically starts with a G followed by a series of letters and numbers. This ID uniquely identifies your stream and is what you'll use when adding Google Analytics to your site or to your tag management setup. Simply highlight and copy the measurement ID from this page. If you're handing it off to a developer or pasting it into a website builder or tag manager, be careful to copy it exactly as shown. Every character matters. If you're saving it for later, label it clearly so you don't mix it up with other properties. A quick tip: if you don't see your expected stream, verify you're in the right property and that you have sufficient permissions to view data streams. Also, remember that the measurement ID is what most tools ask for when they say GA4 tracking code. That's it. By navigating to Admin, opening data streams under Data Collection, selecting your web stream, and copying the measurement ID, you found your GA4 tracking code.